This is the Label Maker, the third box in the HackPack subscription, a practical robot to make labels and organize the house while also containing stock code to create the Mark Rober logo and playing a game. Taking these concepts of writing, drawing, and games, there are several fantastic hacks already available on HackPack Discord for your fun and learning. The Label Maker build adds quite a bit more complexity, with 2 stepper motors and their corresponding driver boards, a servo motor, LCD screen, and joystick. All of this wiring increases the chances of faulty connections that will cause issues with the bot, but don't let it overwhelm you. Just take your time and pay attention to detail, and remember that there is always help on the Discord to support you and help with troubleshooting. Once it is built, create a label simply by typing in your word using the joystick, selecting the letters, and clicking the joystick to begin printing. The rest of the code converts your word into the plotted letters using a 5x5 grid system. The motors are given the correct speed and movement to control the X and Y axis, while the servo controls whether the marker should be drawing or not. Now you are able to label anything in your house: the box of books, the tote of Christmas decor being put away for the season, and stake your claim in your tool room, but don't be surprised if your wife tells you to relabel it. Run out of tape? No worries. The Label Maker can handle any 3-inch roll of tape and many different types of markers and even some pens. It currently comes with 3 other stock codes for you to explore drawing and creating games. The Mark Rober logo simply draws the logo. The sketch mode gives you the ability, using the joystick, to draw freely in straight lines, vertically, horizontally, and diagonally. The light driver game uses an IR sensor from the Domino robot. Plug the signal wire into the pin A7 and the red and black wires in the regular spots. Other key is securing the IR sensor in the marker holder. I found a longer bolt in the extra parts bag allowed me to secure it better than the original bolt. Another key thing, the IR sensor does not recognize the black marker, so you need to use the electrical tape or other black material to place on the tape roll for the sensor to register the spots. As the tape roll spins around, move the joystick up and down to avoid the black spots. Now you're ready to play the game. A very simple hack to change the light driver game to stay on the black line: change the code to show a greater than sign in this section here. The Hangman game hack was created by Heavy Falcon 678, a prominent regular on the HackPack Discord. He designed the game to accept a custom word or select randomly from the list in the code. It draws the gallows on the tape and you play the game. Add the buzzer to your breadboard for extra sound effects at D11. Use the LCD screen to see the empty characters and guess a letter. It cleverly tracks all the guesses and removes the letters from the list. Watch as your character meets its end when you lose the game. You can find the code in HackPack Discord in the Label Maker community hacks and search for Hangman. I used the Label Maker Hangman buzzer.ino file for this particular video. This next hack is a featured hack and quite advanced from Jason B. He creates a web page to draw anything within the box that is then sent to the Label Maker. The Label Maker reads it as an image and plots the exact output from the website. It is impressive how perfectly it matches the original. Want a different font? Wakoa has you covered with his Any Font hack using Python to run a font processor. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.